Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's dive into the world of side hustles because they are truly booming. Did you know that over 44 million Americans are earning extra cash through side hustles? If you've ever thought about boosting your monthly earnings, you're definitely not alone. Let's talk about the reality many folks are facing today. The cost of living keeps climbing, and sometimes it feels like our paycheck just vanishes before we even get a chance to enjoy it. A lot of people are struggling to make ends meet, and that's where side hustles can step in as a lifesaver. Whether it's unexpected expenses, student loans, or just wanting a little extra for fun, having that additional income can make all the difference. But figuring out how to earn that extra cash can be a daunting challenge. With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. So, how do you even start? All right, let's break it down. Here are some profitable side hustle options that could help you pocket that extra $500 each month. First up, we have freelance writing. If you have a way with words, you can write articles, blog posts, or even copy for businesses. Pay can range from $25 to $100 plus per piece, depending on your expertise. Next, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Many small businesses need help with administrative tasks. You can charge anywhere from $15 to $50 an hour, making it a flexible way to earn. Another great side hustle is selling products online. Platforms like Etsy or eBay make it super easy to sell handmade items or even secondhand goods. Some people even flip items they find at thrift stores for a nice profit. You can also explore affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or a decent social media following, you can earn commissions by promoting products. And let's not forget about tutoring or teaching online. With platforms like VIP Kid or Chegg Tutors, you can teach subjects you're knowledgeable in and earn $15 to $30 per hour. There are plenty of options out there, and you don't need a ton of experience to get started. Now, let me share a quick success story that really illustrates the potential of these hustles. Meet Sarah, a single mom who turned her love for baking into a thriving side business. She started selling homemade cookies and cakes on social media. At first, it was just a way to make a little extra cash. But within a year, she was making over $1,000 a month. She was able to quit her part-time job and focus on her baking. Stories like Sarah's show that with dedication and a little creativity, you can turn your passions into profits. So, to recap, side hustles are not just a trend, they are a legitimate way to earn extra income and improve your financial situation. Whether you choose freelance writing, virtual assisting, or even starting your own small business, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. With a little effort and planning, you could be on your way to financial freedom. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite side hustle idea? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more money-making tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.